YouTube, what it do? You are now rocking with your favorite online fitness coach, Coach Perk from athleticallybuilt.com, where we help you to become athletically built within 12 weeks. And I'm coming back at you with another video. And today's topic is mass gainers. Should you use it or should you lose it? So lock in, stay tuned, and I'll see you on the other side. If you're a skinny guy who's looking to pack on as much muscle as possible, the first idea you might have is to use a mass gainer supplement in order to gain more calories, put on more weight, and ultimately build more muscle, which makes sense on the surface, but let's take it a layer deeper. First and foremost, let's start with your mindset, because let's be real, the only reason that you're using this weight gainer supplement is to shortcut the process, and that's problem number one. I know it's easy to get caught up in the hype and read a bottle that tells you that you can gain muscle mass as fast as possible. And my only advice to you is, if anyone try to sell you something with the word fast in it and it's not a car, then they're just trying to take your money. So instead of thinking short term, you should be thinking long term, consistent results. Second, these so-called mass gainers have little to no nutritional value in terms of vitamins and minerals. Although you will get the calories that you need, these are not high quality calories. And you should focus on having a solid nutrition plan to hit all your macros to give your body what it needs to grow bigger and stronger. And if you're not sure how to set your macros, watch this video where I explain it in detail. So now that you have listened to my spiel about mass gainers, you have a decision to make. Are you going to use it or are you going to lose it? My advice to you is to lose it. But let me know in the comments down below. Let me know which one you choose, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.